Hey guys, Patty here. What I want to show you today is how I make some samples. Today I'm going to make the AVON Rare Gold samples. So what I've done is take a travel size of the Rare Gold perfume. I bought that off of eBay for a couple bucks because they don't carry in the catalog anymore, but just want a really small bottle, an inexpensive bottle to keep on hand to make samples. So as you can see, these here are a couple samples I've already made. These are like a 2-inch or 3-inch size baggie, the 2mm thickness, and on the back is my contact information and the QR code. I created my QR code on AVON so that was a really easy, super way of being able to create the QR code. I love that idea. So it brings people right to the e-store. Because if you don't have a catalog to give out, this is my whole point of making these samples. So it's easy. I don't have any books on hand right now. And that way, if they really like the sample, then they can go right to that, little QR code. They use their phone to scan the QR code. So, here's the sheet of labels I have that I used. It's something that I believe I found at Costco. I can't remember what size labels these are, but as you can see, there's 30 that fit on this page. And there I took the image from the catalog, online catalog, and saved the image there on the Rare Gold page. Seems like the single bottle fit the best on these little skinny labels. They had other designs that I could have used, like when I Googled it, but it seems like the single bottle fits the best. And of course, use the same size labels for my contact information. Again, I use the Avery.com templates, free, which I love because I don't have to pay for an app to create these labels. Yeah, so it's the label sheet. The little baggies, this is where I store all the pre-made fragrance samples. And also inside, let me get them out. I have my scissors because I have to trim the labels up. These baggies are so tiny. These are cotton pads that I bought at Walmart, I believe, or Kmart. And I cut them in 4s. So these are like regular cotton pads that you use to apply astringent. So I cut them in 4, and one pack of cotton pads is like $2 or $3. So it makes hundreds of samples. So I put that in. I spritz the sample, or spritz the pad while it's in the bag, like 2.5 times, and that's it. And I just did these up last night, and they literally reek of the fragrance, which I like this fragrance anyway. So yeah, as you can see, it's kind of damp and moist inside. So these will last quite a while. And also I'm doing these outside. Whenever I spray and process these samples, I do them outside just so the inside doesn't stink of the perfume. And my family's kind of sensitive to the perfumes, so outside's the best. Or if it's raining outside, I'll just do it like in my enclosed deck. But anyway, yeah, super cheap way of doing these samples if you don't buy them on the Avon website, on your rep website. And then, of course, making these pre-made labels on AveryTemplates.com. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. And until next time, have a great day.